Welcome to another event here at Timber Creek Speedway. We recently hosted a stock muscle car race, where afterwards, we encouraged our racers the chance to beat the track record, which was set by Sawyer in the very first round of the event. This way, the pressure of racing conditions isn't present, and the drivers can compete against the clock. Of course, the times created by each driver won't alter the overall race that was previously ran. It just means having the opportunity to get used to our track, and to ultimately try and beat the set record time. So let's get straight into the action. First up is Chase Family Racing in the 1970 Hot Wheels Corvette. That's another fast time in Lane 1. Let's see how the sprint in Lane 2 goes. Oh yes, that's a nice looking time too, but it's the combined time now that counts. Not bad. But Chase Family Racing didn't manage to beat the track record. I hope to see this car back again soon. Next up is Axle Grinder 77 in the Hot Wheels Mustang. Let's see if he can get a better time than he did in the first heat of the race. A little faster than what he did in the race, but the next run is going to be crucial. Unfortunately, that was a little slower than what he ran in the race. Let's see the combined time. Just as I thought, this time trial is very close to what he got in the race, but of course it doesn't beat the record. Thanks for racing with us, Axle Grinder 77. Now it's the record holder Sawyer. Can he beat his own time? So close in Lane 1, but not as quick as his first round in the race. Lane 2 is going to have to be super fast now. Another great looking time in Lane 2, but it's not as fast as his race time. That's still another time beater, but it doesn't best the record he set earlier in the event. Thanks for racing at our track, Sawyer. Fast Pickle is next in the 1969 Hot Wheels Pontiac GTO. Just a little shy of his first race attempt in Lane 1. The next run is now going to have to be super fast. Nice one. This was a little faster this time, but it won't be enough to beat the record. Although the combined time isn't bad at all, it doesn't get Fast Pickle the bragging rights this time. Thanks very much, Fast Pickle, for racing our event. Now we have the bright yellow Hot Wheels Roadrunner driven by Violet. That first run was a tad slower than the race. Let's see what time Violet can now get in lane 2. That's a little slower as well, so this time trial will be slower overall for Violet. A combined time that's under 8 seconds is good, but this time, it's not a track record for the Roadrunner. Thanks for visiting our track, Violet, and we hope to see you again soon. Ozboy USA is next, in that other classic Hot Wheels Corvette. That's a fast time in lane 1, but not as fast as what he achieved in the main event. And now that's a faster time in lane 2. Let's see how these combined times look. Okay, so slightly under what was achieved in the race. Still, not bad, and I'm sure there'll be more practice laps, being the resident racer here at Timber Creek Speedway. It's the Hot Wheels Camaro of Tamiya Fan next up. And that's a little faster than what he got in the race, so let's see if the next sprint is faster too. No, not this time, that's a little slower. Let's take a look at the combined time. That's great. The final time is a little faster, but not enough to break the record. Thanks so much Tamiya Fan for racing at Timber Creek. Now it's our runner-up Slippery Piston in the Hot Wheels Mustang. Can you get the winning time now? I don't believe it. That's the exact time he got in his first round. Awesome. That's fast too. He has got the better time in lane 2 than he did throughout the race event. But unfortunately, this time won't be the record breaker. It's fast, but not fast enough. Thank you Slippery Piston for racing at our track. See you again soon. Well, that ends our time trials event, and well done to all our racers. Sawyer remains our track record holder for a stock class entry, and looks like his time will be tough to beat. If you would like to submit your car for having a go at beating our stock class record, then please let us know. Be sure to visit our website and subscribe so you can keep up to date with what's going on here at Timber Creek Speedway. See you soon at our track.